The primary purpose of the booster heater is to heat incoming water. This is important for areas where the incoming water is lower than optimal temperature. Before you can install the booster heater, you must first go through a few steps to prepare the U34. Unplug the U34, open the wash door and remove the tray rail. Remove the two back screws that support the tray rail. Loosen the clamp on the air gap can that holds the hose in place and remove the hose. Open the door and lift it off the hinges. Lay the control door flat. If available, put cardboard under the door to protect it from being scratched. You will now need to mark the spot where to drill a second conduit hole. The hole will be located 3 inches to the right and at the same height of the current hole found at the lower part of the inside of the control door. Do not drill the hole yet. Open the electrical enclosure door. Remove the wires and any other components from the bottom of the control door. A piece of cardboard can be used to ensure that the wires do not move close to where you will be drilling. Now drill the new conduit hole. The hole size is 7/8 of an inch. A step drill bit or a hole knockout tool can be used to accomplish this. Now the U34 is ready to have the booster heater installed. Using the screws from the tray rail assembly and the brackets that come with the booster heater, mount the booster heater to the bottom of the pan. The conduit clamp that was held in place by these screws will not be needed. Cut the fill line hose so that one piece is long enough to connect the fill line assembly to the booster heater inlet. The remainder of the hose will be installed from the exit tube to the air gap can. Cut to length if necessary. Tighten the hose clamps on the booster heater and the air gap can. Be sure to install the booster heater inlet clamp facing the front of the machine to allow for future access. Install the cord or conduit from the booster heater to the control door. Place the control door back on the hinges. Replace the existing pump motor relay with relay provided in the kit. On older models, only one screw will be used to mount the new relay. The slot on the relay may have to be opened to accept the larger screws used on some machines. Replace the two connectors that went to the coil side of the pump motor relay with the included 3/16 female terminals. Connect the wires with the new terminals as shown. Connect the white wire from the booster heater to the power switch on the switch side as shown. Create a second ground terminal by replacing the screw on the right-hand side of the electrical enclosure door hinge with the included screw. Connect the ground wire from the booster heater to the right side ground lug on the control door using the included nut. Connect the black wire from the booster heater to the normally closed terminal on the new relay. Connect the red wire with the blue stripe to the normally open terminal on the new relay. connect the red wire to the common terminal. Be sure to check the wiring diagram to ensure that all wires are connected correctly. Close the electrical enclosure and close the control door. The unit is now ready to be tested to ensure all steps were completed correctly. Plug the unit into the receptacle, turn the power on. Press the fill button until water comes through the air gap can and the water inside the machine is at the appropriate level. Run the unit for several cycles and allow 8 to 10 minutes between cycles. Monitor the lights and check for leaks on the booster heater while heating. Retighten hose connections once finished with testing.